Hi, my name is Ryan Scammon. I'm the Operations and Program Assistant here at Family Reading Partnership. I help keep the day-to-day operations of our organization moving along. That has many parts, but one of my favorites, I get to order the books. And that leads me to this very special place. I get to show you our Blue Room. And this is where we store our brand new books. All these books are the books for our Books to Grow On program. And it is shelves upon shelves upon shelves of brand new books just ready to go into our community. Now, if you don't know the Books to Grow On program, that's the one that even before the child is born, when families first show up for their prenatal visits, they'll receive a book. And then at the birth of the child, they'll receive a book. And then at the wellness visit, they're like 2, 4, all up to 4 years old, they'll receive a book. And then when those children enter into preschool, they'll also receive a book. And so part of my job that I liked as well, I'm the one who gets to see those order forms come in. I fill them and I send them back out to the hospitals so I see directly how many of these books enter our community. And let me tell you, it's a lot and it's amazing. So thank you so much. I know these programs mean the world to many children and many families in our community. So thank you for your time. I hope you had a great day and take care.